we are asked to solve this. How do you solve this? The first thing I want to do is to check if the base are the same. They are the same. That is very good. Now I can start. What is this, by the way? This simply means what? 625 over 10. By moving this decimal to this side. What I will do now, I will replace this with over 10. Okay? Because this base and this base are the same, and it is minus that is separating them, it means I can bring them together using division. So as you can see now, this and this have come together using division. And we are only using this as the base. Okay? According to the second law of logarithm. You will agree with me that if I want to turn this to multiplication to make it easy for me to solve, I will flip this to be 2 over 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. 625 divided by 5. That is 125. Okay? I need something like this now. Let's see if we can get something like this. Because if I can get something like this, it means that what? This log will disappear. Becomes 1. That's what I want now. So how do I put 5 here? Can I convert this to 5? What is this in terms of 5? If you look at this, say 5 divided by this, you have 25. 5 here, you have 5. 5 here, you have 1. That is 1, 2, 3. 5 raised to the power 3. Okay? So it means I can replace this with 5 raised to the power 3. Okay? So this will come to the back of this just to allow this guy to rest, because currently is carrying 2 numbers. So this will come to the back of this. We put 5 here. Okay? This and this are the same. This becomes 1. That is 3 multiplied by 1. Remember, there's multiplication here. I've explained that several times. The answer finally is 3. Okay? Hope you understand this.